Hi guys, today I got this package delivered and I'm very happy because I know what it is and you don't. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to show you right now. Ta-da! In one of my other videos you can see me unboxing and assembling this Bosch PTA stand table saw, which I bought in the shop, and the brand Bosch sent me this support roller as a thanks for buying this table. Because I registered this product, I got 3 years of warranty and I got this roller support for free. In this video I will be unboxing this one too, and I will assemble it. So if you like this video, if you like my videos about unboxing tools, if you like my production videos where I make custom projects, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post another video. Okay, so let's go. Let's open it. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. I don't think there's much assembling for me to do. Let's see. Little booklet. Nice. Oh my God. In this little leaflet it says that if you register the product, you get 3 years of warranty instead of 2, so that's always nice. I think I must be able to put this on here so you can press those things. Ah, look. You can press it. Okay, that's about it. Oh wait, this little thing goes on here. Oh my God. So, okay, that was quick, as you see. Oh, it's a nice product, it's solid, very solid. And I think I will be using it a lot. I'll show it to you. So if you got a long piece of wood and you saw it and it rolls and supports the beam so that it doesn't just drop on the ground, so it's true. Very nice. And you can also take this one off, I guess, if I remember how. Oh, this way. Like this. You have a roller, but I think I will be using this one a little bit more